Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little Too Simple. Yes, you read the title correctly. Home equity can indeed make you rich. Wondering how? Watch this video to find out. Before we get going, a quick clarification. This video is made entirely for educational and entertainment purposes. It should not be considered as financial advice of any kind. If you enjoy videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Now let's roll. Home equity is the portion of your mortgage loan on your home that you've already paid off. In simple terms, it's the difference between what your home is worth and how much is still owed on your mortgage or loan. As your home's value increases over the long term and you pay down the principal on the mortgage, your equity grows. You don't have to sell your home to put your equity to work. There are three main ways to tap into your home's value while still living there. 1. Home equity line of credit, HELOC. 2. Home equity loan. 3. Cash out refinance. Since the first two options are fairly self-explanatory, let's focus on cash out refinance. Cash out refinance is essentially a new loan on your home, ideally at a lower interest rate. It allows you to pay off your existing mortgage and also access additional money from your home equity. You might be wondering, why use home equity instead of other lending options? Here's why. Lower cost of borrowing. Home equity loans generally come with better interest rates and repayment terms. Convenience. It's an easier way to borrow larger sums of money. Wealth creation potential. When used wisely, it can be one of the best tools to build long-term wealth. But remember, this only makes sense if you plan to use the borrowed money for something productive. Using home equity as a down payment. One of the smartest uses of home equity is using it as a down payment for buying another property. Instead of saving for years, you can leverage your current home's equity to invest in multiple properties. This greatly accelerates your journey toward becoming rich. Diversifying your investment portfolio. Just because you've built equity in property doesn't mean you need to keep it tied to real estate. You can diversify into other asset classes such as the stock market, bonds, managed funds. Diversification is one of the biggest drivers of wealth creation. Using your home equity in different investment vehicles gives you multiple avenues to grow your wealth. Starting a business with home equity. Many rich people say the fastest way to build wealth is to start your own business. However, most people struggle with the lack of initial capital. That's where home equity can help. A home equity loan can provide the funds you need to start a franchise, launch your own company from scratch. It allows you to access large amounts of money without tapping into your personal savings or taking out a high-interest small business loan. If you're planning to tap into home equity, make sure you understand the wrong ways to use it. Avoid using home equity for unnecessary personal expenses, like extravagant vacations or luxury vehicles. Overspending beyond what you actually need, putting your house at risk for frivolous or non-productive purchases. Remember, it's better to save separately for lifestyle upgrades instead of borrowing against your home for them. Thanks for making it this far into the video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Until next time, have a good one guys.